It's a weather impact day for multiple threats, but here in Albuquerque, we're really focused on the wind. The wind advisory starts at 8 this morning, goes until 7 for wind gusts to 55, blowing dust. Poor air quality is a concern. There's likely going to be difficult driving conditions. It'll be these west to east winds, so north-south crosswinds be nasty, and visibilities will be limited at times as well. Here's the wind advisories. Much of central, a good chunk of southwestern New Mexico, and high wind warnings along the central mountain chain and out into eastern New Mexico. In the high wind warning areas, wind gusts to 70 will be possible. Trying to sprinkle and shower out of these clouds. More rain, the mountain snow, it's reaching the ground back towards Flagstaff and north of Phoenix. Here's a look right now. It's 51 here in Albuquerque with the clouds overhead, and those wind gusts are in the 30-mile-per-hour range. Look at out in western New Mexico. We just caught a gust to 48 in Gallup. To check the statewide planner, the best chance at a shower, both rain and snow, will come this morning here around Albuquerque. But note, we hit midday. Temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, even still some 60s and 70s in southern and eastern New Mexico. It is a day with a huge temperature spread from the northwest to the southeast. Note the shower chance is kind of drying up into the afternoon, just favoring the west and north after lunchtime. We're still good for upper 50s in Albuquerque today and some 70s in southeast New Mexico. Clouds tend to dissipate late in the day. Now, as far as those forecast wind gusts are concerned, look at some of these numbers. They'll be kind of continuous throughout the day in the 40 and 50 mile per hour range. Eastern, southern New Mexico with the worst of the wind field compared to the west and north. This is where we've got the fire weather watches and fire weather warnings. Out in eastern New Mexico, it's widespread red flag warnings, and you're going to get dusted there in Carlsbad and Hobbs as well with a blowing dust advisory. So within just a couple of hours here, these impact winds kick in. We're only talking 50s this afternoon with the slight chance at showers. Just try to keep things from blowing around too much out there. Hopefully you had a chance yesterday to kind of get that lawn furniture close to the house.